You got a razor blade? The same size, okay? And then you mix it. You cut. And you might have some left over. How much does that cost?
$9.99.
You don't, yeah, this is just like you gotta mix it so together, you know? You gotta me and Jason fixed the fucking somebody's car, which had a serious problem. And Jason didn't know about this. I did because I always had old cars in Michigan.
Showed him.
in Michigan, all in Michigan, the gas tanks always start leaking, rust. So that's when I learned about this. Bunch of holes here, brother.
That's why we gotta cover them up and make it big, like cover it up big.
And then we gotta let the motherfucker dry.
Takes 8 hours, or an hour?
How long you say?
An hour or 8 hours, one of those.
Well, you can take my.
An hour, 1 hour.
If you, how long it takes?
1 hour.
Oh, because if it took longer, you can take the truck and leave the car to let it, you know, let it cure, and you can take the truck. Because I want it to cure. But see, if I put that on there, I would need like 2 radiator clamps. I could put that on there, on top of it, but then I would need like, see, I could put it on here like this, right? But I would need 2 radiator clamps to keep it, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. We don't gotta do that.
12:49. We gotta let it dry till 1:45.
Yeah.